So today is September 8th, the very first day of the construction of the basement. So this is how it looks in the first day, and today is the first day of renovation, like I mentioned. And we have got the 2x4s over there, we got the saw, and looks like we have finished the roughing or the studs of one wall over on the right side, and everything else is open and ready for work. So over here is gonna be the theater room or the entertainment room. So you see the wall, we're gonna have a large screen attached on that wall, and over here we'll have some sofas, some chairs to relax, kick back and watch some movies. And over here in that corner where you see the washer and dryer, we're gonna remove those washer and dryer and we're gonna install it in that corner. Okay, and instead of these washer dryer, we're gonna have a wet bar over there with a sink, and over there we're gonna have a basically a cabinet with top shelves, glass door, and bottom would just be a storage with a countertop. And we're gonna close off that area like so, where you see the stud on that level, and in that area we're gonna have a washroom. We're only gonna do the roughing for now, and later on, once we have the budget, we can install an actual washroom. And at the end where you see the shelves, over there we'll have our washer, dryer, and the sink. And over here we're gonna close down that area and make it a storage, and we'll finish off the wall. And this staircase, we're gonna stain it or put a steps on top, cover, and then paint the risers, which is this area here. So this is the riser and this is the step itself. Most likely we're gonna put a cover on top of this step, and then the riser would be painted white, so it looks pretty neat. And on this side, or on that left side, we're gonna have a railing, and we're gonna make it look beautiful. So that's the project. And actually this staircase is gonna lead all the way up to the second floor, so we'll finish off the entire staircase. And that's the project. So this is the first day of project, and I will record more videos as we progress, because I wanna document the progress of this renovation as we go. Oh, actually this you see this post here, we're gonna use some kind of art and decoration, and probably put some panels, some molding to make it look a little bit easier on the eyes. So that's that for the first day of our construction, and I will get back with another video soon. Bye. So today is September 11th, and it is Friday, the last day of first week of the project. And so far we have done our framing. As you can see, all the framing is done, and next week we're planning to finish the electrical. And this is it. This is the project. So that corner is gonna be the storage, and on the right side here, this whole area, as you can see, we have separated them by the studs. That whole area is gonna be mechanical room slash washer slash laundry. So the way it works is we're gonna separate it from here. This part would be the mechanical room, and over here we're gonna have a corner standing shower, and on the left we're gonna have a toilet, and in that corner we'll have a vanity, and on the far left corner we're gonna have the washer dryer stacked up together. That's how it works. and that's the entrance door that leads to the washer or washroom. And over here we're gonna have another door that leads to the mechanical room. And in that corner we're gonna have a wet bar, including that gap there. That gap will have a cabinet and a shelf on top. It's gonna look amazing. I will see you next week. So this is day 6 of the project, and as you can see, the framing is all done. I would say 95% the framing is done, and next up is the electrical. So once electrical is done, then we will start doing our plumbing. So this is week 3, September 20th, and we have finished the lightings. As you can see, all the pot lights are done, and they're hanging down here, right here. It's quite bright and nice. So we have finished the entire framing, wiring, light, and we have also started the plumbing. For the plumbing is over there for the washroom. So we have dug the ground and added these 2 pipes. The one right here, that one is for shower, so shower would be on this side, and the one on the left is for toilet. And we're gonna hook the vanity to that main pipe over there. So we're gonna have the shower here and the laundry over there. When Farouk comes back on Monday, which is day after tomorrow, he will hook up the laundry there. He would do the necessary wiring, finish that off, and next up, after we actually backfill that and concrete it, we're gonna start the drywall phase. And once the drywall phase is done, we're gonna start with patching, finishing, and also floor. And once we're done with that, we're gonna start with the staircase. So this is the update for week 2. See you guys in week 3.